Intel Corporation. And it's my job as Intel's futurist to look 10 to 15 years out into the future and model how people will act and interact with technology. I essentially model what it will feel like to be a human and live in the future. And we use that information at Intel to design the chips and design the platforms, because it's of vital business importance today for Intel to know what people will want to do 10 years from now. And a lot of those technologies are here on display today at the Intel Future Showcase. But the reason why I love the showcase so much is ultimately all of this technology is about people. And that's really what we do at Intel. The idea is, how can we use all this technology to touch the lives of people and to make their lives better? We really understand that all of this technology is ultimately about people. All of the technologies you see here today will interact and are actually being made for people. But one of the things I also really like about the showcase is these technologies are also made by people. Right? Technologies just don't sort of spring fully formed out of the fab. Maybe it'd be kind of cool if they did, but they don't. They're actually made by people. And they're made by my colleagues, and that's what I really liked about the showcase is this is your chance to see those technologies, see what's coming today, what's coming tomorrow, and what's coming off in the future. But you can also meet the people who built them, and meet the people who have been working on them and ask questions. And that's one of the things where I like about these showcases, and we've done them in San Francisco and brought it to New York, and now we're going to DC, just to actually allow everybody to talk to those people. So I encourage you today, as you kind of walk through, and I think some of you have already seen, we've got it broken off into 3 different sections: today, tomorrow, and in the future. So in the today area, we have our 2-in-1s and our tablets and our smartphones. Really amazing stuff that's coming out today and that's available today. And then also we have the Galileo platform and the Edison platform, our new Quark line of processors that are really kind of looking at what's that next step. And then as you make your way around, if you haven't seen it already, go see the Chargeable Bowl and also the Make It Wearable competition. This is where a lot of this technology is going as we move beyond tablets and smartphones and into the Internet of Things. And then also, as you see, we have as well the RealSense camera. This is a 3D camera that's going to be in a laptop later this year. And it allows you to do scanning, allows you to do video conferencing, and really allows you to turn things into 3D models that you can also go and 3D print. And then as you move past tomorrow and to move into the future, so speaking of the future, we also have at the back some different, we have a driving demo where you can actually see autonomous cars. And you can see, by the way, this is the point in the conversation where you stop listening to me, because we have a 3D robot to show you as well. He doesn't have one mic. So here.
I'm Jimmy the Robot. I'm a 2-foot-tall, high-end humanoid research robot. I was made in just 2 weeks using open-source software and applications, as well as a 3D printer.
So Jimmy's an example of kind of one of the Internet of Things. This one has a...
Wow! There are a lot of people here.
He's kind of got his own personality, so he kind of does weird stuff every now and again. He's also not really a morning person, so it takes him a while to kind of boot up. But Jimmy's an example of, sort of in him, you've got a Core i5 as well. We have a version here that's going to be coming out later this year that's actually got an Edison inside of him. And if you come around, we can talk about him and talk about where we want to take the platform, because he's kind of driven.
There are a lot of people here. I'm not the best dancer, but maybe someone can teach me some new moves.
Yeah, this is one of the criticisms we've got of how we taught Jimmy to dance. This is Andrew Alter from Trosser Robotics. I said, you know, Andrew and I kind of taught Jimmy how to dance, and